Okay, hello everyone. So in this video we will see how to create an auto scaling group. So in EC2 dashboard you will find the ASG option. Okay, so in the left hand side this is present, this ASG option is present. What you have to do, you just have to go to this ASG and just create one auto scaling group. And as we know, auto scaling group is basically it is used to scale or auto scale to automate the scaling of the instances or the servers whatever we are using. So let us just simply create it and see how it is used in AWS. So this is your auto scaling group name. You can name whatever you want. Suppose this is my demo auto S3, right? And this must be unique to the current region. So I will just name it like this. Okay, demo auto S3 cloud, and next will be my launch template. So if you have created one, you will get the option to select it from here, and if you haven't, so you just need to create one template. Okay, so just simply launch one template. So now we will be creating a launch template. My template name could be anything you want, but it could be distinguishable, so that if you want to just select that launch template in future, you can do so. And you can give one template version description, that a demo template, right? Okay, in this application in OS images, I would go for quick start option, and I'll just select Amazon Linux, that is actually feature eligible. Okay, and you can select any of the AMIs from here, whatever AMI you want. Next is instance type. So if you want to select any instance type, you can select. So I will select t2.micro, that is free tier eligible, and anything which is free tier eligible is better for us. Next is key pair login. So we should select one key pair to login, and any of the key pair you can select, or you can create a new key pair, just like what we were doing in EC2 instances, right? So simply just select one key pair from here. Next is network settings, and we just need to select one security groups, and select security groups would be my launch wizard one that we were doing with EC2 instances. That same we need to do here. Okay, so that security group you need to select, and I would suggest that select one security group in which HTTP is enabled. Okay, HTTP is ticked, so that would help you in this scaling part. Next is storage. So you have one storage, volume 1 storage, which has size of 8 gigabytes, and it has GP3, volume type is GP3, so that is better. And yeah, it would be deleted whenever we will terminate the template or auto scaling group. That is better. Advanced details, in this part I'll just scroll to the bottom, and here is my user data. I can select a user data, and I think you would be familiar with this user data, that would create one HTML file in the server, whatever server you are selecting. So this I'll just copy and I'll paste it here, right? This will create one HTML file into your whatever server you are making. So in this auto scaling groups, the servers will have this part, and that's it. We will just simply create one launch template now, and this is being created. Let's wait until it's created. Okay, so success, it is being created. This my template is created now, and let us go to this part, and in this auto scaling group I will select a launch template. Just to refresh it once, and then you will get the option to select your template. Version will be default, just keep it as default, no changes. Next is VPC, so just select the availability zones. So I would be selecting all the 3 zones. Okay, next we just need to click next. Load balancer, if you have created one, you can choose. So as I have already created one load balancer, I'll simply select one. Okay, so that load balancer will be there, and from my load balancer a target group would be selected, and this is one TGT, one HTTP, right? No VPC, nothing. I'll just simply go, and I'll just simply tick mark this one, turn on a elastic load balancing health check. That would simply like terminate those instances which are unhealthy. So unhealthy instance would be directly terminated, and one more is already selected. That is, I guess that is if you have like any of the instances that are not healthy, so those would be terminated. So this is one option, you can just take one. This is recommended also, so I'll go with recommended one, and I want to be enabling any of the monitoring stuffs because this is just a demo video and it would charge me. So I want to be doing this. I'd simply click on next. Desired capacity, you can set the desired capacity as 10 or 1, anything you want. So suppose I want to keep it 10, I just want to increase it to 10, so I can increase it, and according to your desired capacity your maximum desired capacity could increase. Okay, but if you want to choose it, if you want to keep it as 10, you can just simply keep that maximum desired capacity, and maximum desired capacity would always be greater than or equal to desired capacity, right? So this is 1, I'll just keep it as 1. No policy, launch before terminating, terminate and launch, custom behavior, I won't be selecting any of these things. You can select if you want, and yeah, that's all I want. I'll just click next, then next, then next, and let us review this one first. Network is okay. Load balancing is very good. This is my demo LB, which this is my load balancer one, and this is my target group TGT1. That's it. Nice. Let's create the auto scaling group now, and this is my auto scaling group, and you can check that this ASG is working nicely. Like in the activity part you will get that okay, this one is failed because in AP South 1C it cannot change or create a new EC2 instance. Okay, no problem. What I'll do, I'll simply refresh it, and I'll see that yeah, one new EC2 instance is created. It wasn't able to create on the 1C availability zone. You must remember, or you might be remembering that once I had selected all the 3 ASGs, okay, like AZs I can say, availability zones. I selected all the 3 availability zones, so simply on the default basis it just created my first instance on the AP South 1C region, but it didn't launched for some reason, and then when I refreshed it, it just launched another EC2 instance on the other AZ. Okay, so I had selected 3 AZs, and one of the AZs is just successfully launching my instance. I can also check that by clicking here on the instance management part, and you can say one instance is in service and it is healthy, right? So this is one thing. Okay, so next is what I can do. I can simply go to this details part, and in this group details I can see the magic of desired capacity, and this is what my ASG will do. If I want to make this desired capacity as 2, suppose 2, right, and max desired capacity will be 2 only, right, I'll update it. So once I'll update it, so you can see that in this instance management one more instance will be there, and it will simply start creating one more instance, right? So see, not yet in service, and this is also being created. One more instance is being created as I just scaled it up. Okay, so this is what auto scaling is. I can just set a desired capacity or a maximum capacity, and whenever load comes on it, so it will automatically update its capacity and status will be this one. Okay, what I'll do, I'll simply just decrease this desired capacity, right, to 1. Max will be also decreased. I'll just decrease it, and then I'll update it, and it will terminate the instance, whatever instances it will simply start terminating it, and you can see connection draining in progress. And if I go to instance management, and this is what you can see, this instance is getting terminated. That's what ASG can do. And you can also see that in this part, suppose this is my TGT. Let's go to yup. As I had connected my ASG to this TGT, so in this load balancing part, if I go to this TGT, there will be my instance located, right? And that's what I wanted to show. Let's just wait until it gets refreshed. And in this TGT, you can see when I will open it, it will be having one instance, because I have selected this TGT for my auto scaling group. And see, one healthy instance is there, two were there. Okay, total 2 targets. One is being drained because I just reduced the ASG, and one is healthy instance, correct? So that's it. That's what I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this was clear to you how we can work with auto scaling groups, and this is what I wanted to show. So thank you for this video. Let's meet in our next video. Till then, thank you.